Hello and welcome to Batchelors of Ripon, Vauxhall. Here we have a Vauxhall Cascada 2 litre diesel auto on a 14 reg. This car is our demonstrator, and as you can see it's a full convertible car with chrome detailing around the windows and boot with alloy wheels. As we move inside the car, you can see it has the CD400 system with USB connectivity and AUX in, as well as air conditioning and the winter pack, which features a heated seats and heated steering wheel. There's also cruise control in the car, on-wheel audio controls with full black leather upholstery, with height adjustable driver's seat and electric windows. Here we have a Vauxhall Cascada for sale now at Batchelors of Ripon.